We allow students to experience a bit of the real world in terms of briefings. We really try to integrate the dynamic between client and designer, get them an opportunity of experience what they will be experiencing in a few years. I think that's the thing that they like about it, is especially that dynamic between client and designer, really. I think that's something that really gives them a sense of achievements. It's not just doing another work, it's not just doing another assignment, it's much more than that. They feel like they're actually really getting an experience that will prepare them better for the near future. Graphic design hasn't been ever in such demands. Everything really that is surrounding us demands graphic design. Whether it's just a simple book that you're reading, whether it's the signs in an hospital, whether it is the logo of a channel on TV, anything really that you see that needs to respond to a brief, to assess an audience and therefore an outcome in that sense, comes from that perspective. So, there's so many possibilities of work out there for them, so that's really exciting. And it is an amazing college, because I think the strongest point of this college is the diversity, the cultural diversity that exists here, and I think that's a real strength and something that we should be proud of.